Hiya Duck. This technique is probably the quickest nail art technique I think I have ever done. Honest.
I'm not going to lie, it was fairly quick.
Yeah.
Let's see how much you're talking between them.
Okay, we're going to do a few nails, so let's get cracking. I'm going to be using ASMR. I'm going to be using, if you can hear me over the crinkling, our practice tips. If you didn't know, we do have practice tips in natural, in black, in white, and clear.
Everybody asks.
They do, everyone asks.
One of the most asked questions.
Yeah.
Where do you get your tips from? And also, how do you stick them down? That's the other question.
Yeah. Well, I wore press-ons at the weekend at Professional Beauty, and I had a little bit of gel on my own nails, and I used the sticky tabs, you know the sticky tabs? Last year a day, they worked. And they work better on top of gel polish, to be honest. Yeah, it's good. Shall I show you on the black first, actually? I'm going to show you on the black. I'm going to show you on the black nail first of all. We're going to put on, I mean, it confuses me. It might confuse you. Hopefully it doesn't, because we're going to put on Top-coat. Now, if you're doing this on a natural nail or you're doing this on a client, you'll base coat it first, because we're just doing it on tip. I don't really need to. Just a thin layer of clear.
Can I just disclaimer here? As a viewer, you're not going to be able to see anything.
It is really difficult to see what you're doing. I'm going to use Jess, which is a matte top coat. Now, we do this in glossy as well, but this is the matte one. So you can see it's got particles in it of mylar and glitter and things like that. But I'm going to put some of that onto a palette. I want to be able to dip into it. So we're going to get the Lily liner brush, and I'm just going to do kind of like a stencil rose kind of shape. It's not too detailed, they are literally just kind of comma shapes with the matte. Just like that. I'm just going to let it self level a little bit. Then I'm going to pop that into the lamp, 30-second cure, and then I'm going to use liquid chrome. We're going to use Peacock. And I'll be using the rubber dubbers, which are our sponge applicators. So look, this has come out. There's just that little bit there that I don't like. It's a bit white for some reason. So we're going to go over with liquid chrome. Put the excess onto the back of your sponge applicator and rub it. And you're burnishing it in, and it will only stick to the top coat that's shiny. Take a soft brush, dust over. Look at that! I'm sorry, that is friggin' amazing. That is absolutely amazing!
I like the fact that you've used an SFX Top-coat on this one.
Yeah, I did on the other one.
Oh, did you?
You blind. You blind boy. Look at that. I love this. It is beautiful. Look at that. Top coat, glossy top coat. It's going to seal everything in. And you just... What? What? And into the lamp, done. There you are. I'm sorry, but how quick is that? That is the quickest nail art ever And your clients will be wowed because they will not know what the hell you are doing because they're like, it all looks clear, a little bit of glitter, but what's going on? So we're going to do it again just so you can follow me again, just so you know exactly what is going on, because that happens so quickly that it's a bit like, what? Is that it? That's it. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Just look at that. So cool. That is like phenomenal. I love it. Right, okay. I'm going to show you on a white one. I'm going to show you what it looked like. So we're going to use this as if it was a white gel polish, yeah? White gel polish. So we think we've already got white gel polish on. Okay, are you following me? Are you following me? Right, and then we are going to use the top coat again. So just glossy top coat. So this is a tack-free glossy top coat. Yeah. Nice thin layer, doesn't need to be like really heavy. Then we're going to use J. So J is a matte top coat with flecks of silver in it, okay? Put some of that onto the palette just so you can go into it. And then we'll do a different design. And you can kind of like do whatever you want, really. Do whatever design you want to do. We did that kind of stencil rose before. And just let it self-level a little bit. When you're happy with that, pop it into the lamp. So, if you look at it, can you see we've got shiny sections and matte sections, yeah? So now I'm going to use Peacock. So Peacock is one of my faves. It looks so nice over your light colours and looks totally different over your matte. So we're going to put that on, take the excess off, put it onto the sponge applicator, rub. So you're burnishing this into that shiny section.
Now it looks better.
Oh, I love it. It colour shifts and it's so beautiful. It gives like that mother of pearl kind of beautiful effect. Peacock is beautiful. You can turn over and rub again and it'll kind of drag off any excess. And then just with a soft brush.
Really nice.
Look at that! I absolutely love it. One thing I want to do, I want to see if we can get a bit of a snake effect.
So I was going to ask you there, you're obviously going over with a glossy top coat now.
Yeah.
What would happen if you went over with a matte top coat?
Well, it'd just matte everything. It wouldn't be a shiny.
None at all? Even though it's chromed, are you sure?
I'm sure it just, you get a...
I thought because it was chromed it would, because we did something last week.
Oh, you can still see it.
Yeah, but it'll be...
But it will be matte.
Yeah, but it'll still have the effect, but it'll be a matte effect on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we did that on a nail. Well, you filled in gaps, which if you hadn't put the chrome on, it would have. You know when you did that, when you scored down the tip, and then you filled it in, like it looked textured, but it was obviously smooth because you did a top coat over the top of it.
Did anybody follow that? Because I switched off about halfway through. I don't know
You
what.
are so rude to me.
I am ADHD, Duck. It's the ADHD. Look at that. That is absolutely stunning, isn't it? I want to use LA by Day. I want to just try something. So I want to put a colour in the background. Obviously, if you're doing this on a natural nail, you would base coat it. I'm only going to do one coat of this. It is really pigmented, by the way. So this is LA by Day. And then I'm going to put Fluffy. Sorry. I think I've got Tourette's when it comes to fluff.
Good.
And then I'm going to put LA by Night over the top. Get really excited now. I'm such an idiot. So this is Alley by Night. It's a flash gel. So it's super sparkly. Super sparkly. I absolutely love our flash gels. They are so reflective. Right, so cure that. Not done this before, no idea if it's going to work. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to use for this one, I'm going to use Ziggy. So we're going to use Ziggy, which is a matte top coat with flecks of pink glitter. Nice pink glitter running through it. Okay, so we're going to put some of that on a palette. Right, so top coat, glossy top coat. Getting nervous with this one. Getting nervous. Let it kind of soft level a little bit. Right, then we're going to go in the lamp. So we've done this one with a bit of colour and all that. I think I might have put a bit too much matte on. Put a little bit too much matte on. I got a bit excited. I'm going to use on top of this one Chameleon. So there's far less matte on this. Sorry, far less shiny. Far less shine. But look at the texture. Oh my god, I love it. So rub that in, burnish it in. Oh, I like it. It's pretty cool, you know. It's pretty cool, that is. Oh, I love that. That is so cool. You could really like go to town with that and do so much more. So this is one that we did just so we could get the shot of the matte. What I want to use Chameleon over the top of this one and see what that one looks like. I love that. That is very cool.
And it'll have the flash effect as well.
Yeah.
Does look rather cool.
So it's the gloss top coat that's luminous.
Yes.
Yeah. And the matte top coat is not.
Yes. See all the flash gel. Flash! Ah! It's a multiple effect nail, that one. Right, so this one we're going to use Chameleon. So we can see what the different colour is. Done a slightly different shape. Put the lid on that, eh? Oh, I love this effect. Look at that. Oh my god, I absolutely love it so much. It's so cool. You want me matte it, don't you?
Yeah.
Just normal matte.
Yep.
Normal matte. That's base. Normal matte, yeah?
Yeah.
Normal matte. Yeah, now you can see it.
So yeah, it's got the effect still, but matte.
But
The
matte.
chrome looks cool, matte.
It does look cool, doesn't it? It does look cool. So, I'm gonna do snake. I'm gonna learn by my mistake and do less. So let that just self-level a little bit and it'll kind of bloom a little bit. And then we can go in the lamp. Yeah, and I really want to use, can you see how different they look? So they're the same colour.
Wow.
The same colour.
So one's gone green and one's gone purple.
Yeah, well this is like a silvery pinky on white, but on the black it goes more greeny silver and colour shifts. That's the chrome we're talking about, by the way, which was peacock. So we're going to do peacock over the top of this one as well. Oh, I think we've improved already. Yes, it looks better. So I'm excited. I am in love with this technique and it's so quick. It's so quick. Yeah, so definitely less is more to keep the separation. So what happens is the chrome will not stick to the matte. It will only stick to the glossy top coat. So that is why you get this effect as well with the chrome. And then I'm going to glossy top coat. And I just love the effect of the SFX top coat that we use, the matte, because it's got all those little particles in as well. Oh my god, it's bloody sensational. That is stunning. Get it in the lamp so I can show you in great detail. Look at that. Oh my god.
Actually, when it's gloss, it does look
You
better.
like it?
Yeah. No, I liked it anyway, but I just think when it's gloss, it does sort of work still.
I love
Yeah,
it.
really cool.
I absolutely love it. And it's a big improvement on that. Do you know what I mean? Because that, you can see that I've used too much of the matte top coat to get the effect, whereas that looks stunning. I absolutely love it.
Sci-fi movie.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I love him.
Bring him downstage.
How cool are they? You go wild. You all need the matte SFX range. Oh my god, just think of all the things that you can do and a bit of chrome. Oh my god, my mind is blown. Go and have fun. Everything I've used today will be listed below. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram and all the other social media platforms. And I will see you in the next video. Ta-ra! Rolling. Keep those wagons rolling, roll.